Hey Planner fam, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. This week's video is going to be my St. Patty's Week spread, and for this week I wanted to go full on whimsical fantasy, and I will be using a kit from the February subscription from Sugar Pop Fizz. All links in the description below. This is one of my favorite shops, so I just loved all the green and this kind of neo-medieval Knightcore looking kind of awesomeness. And so we are going to be using this kit as well as some washi from Simply Gilded. I pulled this pretty emerald one and this one here, and then we also will be using some stickers from the Green Blooms by Love Posh from the Rainbow series. So we're going to start here with washi and date covers, and I'm going to go ahead and put them down. I think what I'm going to do is have this along the bottom and this along, actually I think I'm going to have this along the top and this along the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. Okay, so I did mess this up just a little bit, and I did have it aligned. So nice thing is I covered everything with washi. You can't even tell. I'm going to add some of these pretty, like, almost like ink stains, and I'm going to add them over here at the ends. And then atop those, I want to add some of the foils that came with this kit, these really beautiful large clear roses. So now we'll add the bottom row, and then I'm going to go and add the rest of this detailed washi toward the end. Toward these little edges here on this end and this end, I want to add some like corner stickers that are those beautiful lush greens. So I'm going to go into my Love Posh Functionally Chic Green Blooms and find some beautiful green corner stickers that are going to really complement this spread. So I think I'm going to use these. They just have all the colors. So we'll go over here. I just trim the excess of that. So that really frames everything and makes it look really lush and blooming. I do want to cover up this little bit here that got messed up. So I think that is where I'm going to put my full checklist. And I think we could also add a little rose. And I think above that, I'm going to add right here. And I really want to add some pink here, so I think we'll take these potion bottles and put them like this, just to layer it. I think that looks beautiful. So now that we've got some of our other pieces in, I want to add just a little more blue from this kind of blue-green with this rose here. So we will add that right here to cover up this little note. And I think that looks really nice. So I think we're done with that. So now we're going to go through and I'm going to add my boxes over the top. And I think what I'll do is I will keep all of them together so that they tell a story. So we'll have these 3 together, etc. So now over here, let's take our really cute little unicorn here, and I'm gonna put this toward the side, and underneath we'll do a habit tracker for exercise. And let's give it a little bit of a fancy border, because why not? I'm going to take this star here, the largest one from the kit, and I'm going to place it on this date here, because this is my friend Ashley's birthday. So her birthday is Tuesday. So I have a little thing pointing here, and then I'll find something that's his birthday somewhere. Oh, I also remember I have some bows, which would be really cute. So now I'm going to add this beautiful washi running along here. I don't mind covering up some of my checklist boxes because I actually have some vacation days this week, so I want to just sort of try to relax, even though I'm very type A. All right, so that's all framed in now, and I want to add just some finishing touches and a couple boxes, a couple places. So I'm going to add this box on Friday, and we'll do this box here on Saturday. And we'll do this pretty green box right here. So they're kind of in a row. And now we're going to add some of the Gecko stickers. I really, really like this bouquet of roses, so I feel like we could put that over here somewhere. You know, I think I'm gonna save these because I'm gonna have plenty extra from the kit. Let me look at this unicorn here. Yes, for sure, we're gonna put the unicorn. So I'm gonna put the unicorn down, and then we'll do some date numbers, and I will show you the finished product. And here we have the finished spread. I really love the colors in this. This is like all of my favorite colors in a single spread. And I love the Knightcore vibes. It's very chaperone at the VMAs. I am totally digging this. So I hope you enjoyed this green and fantasy St. Patrick's week spread. I will be back with new videos in April. I'm gonna take a little break. I think I'm going to just do 3 videos a month because my schedule has been really hectic, but with moving and house repairs and working 2 jobs. It's just a lot. So, but I do find time to share my planner with you guys. So I just wanted to share this beautiful kit, this lovely spread, and I really hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video in April. Have a great rest of March. Bye!